I don't know if you can see me or not, but there's really weird noises going on outside. So I'm gonna flip this thing and see if you can hear what's going on, because I don't even know what animal that is. How the fuck do I flip this thing? Do you hear it? Okay, well, at least you got to hear it.